We're only an hour away from K-Town at a place called Luisenpark. We've heard really good things about this place, so we're really excited to check it out.
Go. What is it? Whoa. Should we do it?
Yeah.
I have a question. Who's driving the boat?
No one.
You're right. If you see, there's nobody in that boat. They all just, it looks like, go on some sort of pulley system. So you just get in the boat and it just takes you around. Look, Hudson. We're in the boat.
Hey, look. They're mine. We're going, everyone.
This looks fun. So we just realized it's two options. One is a round trip or one is just a one-way. And the round trip takes an hour. So we decided to do the one-way and bring the stroller. I don't know where we're going, but let's go. Look, there's fish.
Hi, fish. They're all coming to the boat. They must be used to people throwing food to them.
I bet you he thinks we have food. I almost said water.
Oh, no.
Look, you're right, Hudson.
Mom, there's fish.
Are they following us, Hudson?
Yeah. Are we going to have a shipwreck?
That's very thoughtful, Hudson, but no.
Go. Like this? They're just following us, aren't they?
Yeah.
A Barbie fish.
It's so nice today, isn't it? You see more, Hudson?
Yes. Hey, what is
There's so many, isn't there?
Guess what? Mine get that to me. He said hello. Oh my goodness. Two fish said hello to me.
Hope we don't hit the bridge. Whoa, they are everywhere, aren't they, Hudson? It's time to get off, Captain Millie and Captain Hudson. Are you ready?
Fish.
And we're done. That's not a fish.
Bye-bye.
Bye.
We're at the other end of the park right now. Thank goodness we got the boat because one, it's super hot today, and two, that was a really far walk if we had walked it. Now, we're on a bit of a search. We see a water fountain, but we do know that there's a whole splash pad here we're looking for. But it seems like every corner we go around, there's a brand new surprise.
Don't walk. I think it's what it says.
Ooh, a new section, and I think I hear the splash pad. So we're right by the splash pad right now, but before we get wet, we're having a go on these cars. It was just €1.50 each. They're loving it.
What you doing, Hudson? Oh, that's so cool. Run back to Mom. Did it get you wet?
What is that? This is water. Oh, you can open this.
Rocks. Don't run. Be careful. What'd you find up here? Ooh, what's that do? I think you just sent water down on everybody. Oh, is this how you got up here? Whoa, this is cool. Gotta watch our step, huh?
Straight from the splash pad into the park. One of the many, many parks here. You know what? Germany just really know how to make a cool kids playground.
Made it to little sister.
Found another area to explore.
It's a bus.
A what?
A man. This is a man with a bus.
Oh dear. What's down there, Hudson? I can see all those fish and the boats going by.
Look, bamboo.
Bamboo?
Yes, but we're alive.
In real life.
What bamboo is?
Hey, what kind of animal eats bamboo?
Panda.
You're right. Yeah.
One of the babies one.
You just surprise us with all these facts you come out with.
What's up here, Hudson? Wow. Are they going to swim up to you? Here's one. Look, here he comes.
He's so close.
Would he nibble on my finger?
No.
Oh, he's too big. I don't want him to bite me. Is it a maze or no? I can't tell. It really looks like a maze. I don't know where I am. Lead me out of here now. Is it?
This way.
Lead me to the ice cream. Wrong way. Follow Millie for the ice cream and you win. Shortcut. Hello. Found another playground. This one looks really cool. It's like a fort. Are y'all sharing ice cream?
I feel like we didn't make any kind of agreement, but someone seems to be sharing my ice cream.
This is such a cool playground. I'm coming, Hudson. Oh wow, this is not kid safe, is it? Oh great, Millie wants to do it now.
Wait, I'm not doing this.
Oh, I'm too big for this, Hudson.
Wait, you think it will get easier and trying to do it?
Yeah, it's just very hard and narrow for a big adult.
This is the very top.
Whoa. Okay, I think I made it.
Ready?
Hudson's just waiting for me. Millie has no fear. And neither does Hudson. Look at it.
Come down.
Bye.
So soon.
Oh man, here I go. I did it! We're about to go into this bird atrium exhibit thing. Looks really cool. I'm surprised you can go in there. I hope they like my neck fan. I hope they don't try to eat your little granola bar.
Yeah.
Really cool. Millie's got the best idea. Just chill in the stroller and take it in. Oh wow, he almost flew right into me.
It's so big at the bottom.
What'd you say?
Do they bite?
I don't think they bite. But you never know.
What did you find? A spiky tree? Whoa. Is it? Oh, crocodile.
Under the water? Yeah. Oh yeah, there he is, way back there. So we've just entered an exhibit with the monkeys. It's very hot in here. But look what Millie spotted. Bananas.
I want to eat them.
Those aren't ready to be eaten yet. Oh wow, look. Oh. What do you see?
What a day. We didn't even make it around everything. There was a ton more parks we could have gone to, but it is like 1,000,000 degrees today. So what we did is actually...
1 million.
It's great for today. Hudzy, what was your favourite part of today?
My favorite? His was ice cream. I liked the boats the best.
Oh, I forgot about the boats. That's from the beginning.
That was my
The boats were amazing. What a perfect day. Just an hour from home. We will be back.
You won't touch it.
Bye.
Run for your life. Oh, she just wanted more ice cream.
This is not easy.
Oh, it's not stinky in this one. Okay.
And no bananas in here.
No bananas in here? Well, I don't know. There might be some bananas in here.